Hey future achievers, tired of boring theory, want skills that actually matter? Welcome to Learn with Skillify, where real projects, expert mentors, and job ready learning meet. Let's level up.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the MySQL Beginner to Pro series. This is episode 13, and today we'll talk about a powerful feature in MySQL, views. A view is like a virtual table. Let's understand how it works with practical examples. What is a view? A view in MySQL is a virtual table that is based on the result of a SQL query. It doesn't store the data physically, it just shows live data from the original table. Why use views? Views help us simplify complex queries, reuse code like functions, restrict access to specific columns, and improve readability of large queries. Syntax to create a view. Create view, view name, as, select column 1, column 2, from, table name. Where, condition. You can choose the column names and filter conditions like a normal select.
In the previous video, we already created a sample employees table. If you haven't created it yet, please do so using the structure shown in this slide. Create a view, High Earners. Let's say we want to view only those employees who earn more than 50,000 rupees. Create view, High Earners, as select emp name and salary from employees where salary is greater than 50,000. This view doesn't store data but always shows updated result from the employees table. Select from a view. To view data from a view, simply use Select All from High Earners. This will return all employees with salary greater than 50,000 rupees.
Update a view. If we want to change the salary threshold, we can use Create or Replace View. Create or replace View High Earners as select EMP name, comma, salary from employees where salary is greater than 60,000. Now the view will show only those earning more than 60,000 rupees. Drop a view. To remove a view from your database, drop View High Earners. Done. View is now deleted. Real-life use case example. Show limited info to different users. Create reports without exposing raw tables. Hide sensitive columns like passwords, emails.
Interview questions to prepare. What is a view in SQL? Can a view be updated? Difference between view and table. When would you use a view? Prepare these questions for interviews. What's next? In the next episode, we'll explore stored procedures in MySQL, how to write reusable SQL blocks to automate tasks. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay ahead in your SQL journey. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.
That's all for this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to Learn with Skillify. See you in the next one.